Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to how to make a teleporter. Okay, I'll show you how it works. Okay, so if I press this button, that closes, the trapdoor closes, and I get teleported. So in today's video we're going to show you how to do that. So what we're going to do is take out all of this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is dig a hole 7 deep. And 7 deep. Then on your 8th one, break it. Then place soul sand. Then what you want to do is go back to the top. Place the water. And then fill it up with kelp. You don't have to do kelp. You can just place water on each to make it infinite source. So now what you're going to do is you're going to want to break it, the kelp. So now it should start to bounce up. So now what we're going to have to do is just break that. So now this is floating. So now what we're going to have to do is just quickly place a block there. Then place a trapdoor there. You see it's closed. Open the trapdoor. Then what we're going to do is place redstone here and put a button down. So now when we press the button, it opens and closes, but we want it to stay open, so we're just going to do that. So now what you're going to do, you're going to want yourself a ender pearl. Put your ender pearl in there. Make sure it's in the middle. Okay. Then you would see it's going to bounce like that. So then if I press this, it will teleport me here. And this doesn't matter how far it is. It can be as long as you want. I can maybe let's just say it's this long. It could be this long if you want. It could be as long as possible. So for instance, video done. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and goodbye.